What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1970 Duster. This car here has a 318 with AC under the hood. We're going to be taking it down the road, see how she runs and drives. It is a 3-speed. I just did a full walk around describing any kind of flaws on the outside, inside, and underneath. Check out my website, which is a main page. Go to the internet browser and type in maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing, and shipping information is located on our site. Plus, you can see all of our inventory, and we update that every Monday. For now, hit that subscribe button. We try to post videos every day on here. Test drives, walk-arounds of the entire car lot. About that time, let's go for a ride. Okay guys, getting ready to take off here. Trying to find my seatbelt. Put it on. It's been the Mopar day. Choke kicked off, idled down. Clutch feels pretty good. It's letting out about halfway. See if we can squeeze out of here. Little car, get out. Here we are. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna point out any kind of flaws I see. That way you know what you're buying before you get here. Try to do that with every car. Speedometer's not coming up. It looks like all my other gauges are working. Our tip gauge is coming up. Settled at about 150. Motor's pulling pretty strong and it's shifting good. We're going straight as an arrow down the road. Got a little bit of slack in it, but I'd rather it be just like that than super tight. In my opinion on the older cars. Hit our brakes here. Brakes don't feel bad. Turn signals are popping up on the dash there. A great cruising car. It feels good, it's fun to shift, easy to drive. Good deal. I'm gonna pull in this parking lot right here. We're gonna go ahead and get some outside shots. That way you see what it sounds like from the outside. Get a visual on the car. And if you want to see any of my gear that I use, look below in the description. I post all that for you. Let's get these shots. Okay, we're rolling out of here now. So far so good, everything's checking out. It doesn't have an overflow bucket. The temperature gauge is still in the good range. And we topped it off up there at the lot. Always fill the radiators all the way up. They'll always puke out a little bit until they stable back out, or level back out. Hopefully that sun's not blinding y'all. We'll go ahead and pull the visor down a little bit. It's all out of the way now. It's way over there. Back. I'm blind. We're going to take a right on this road here. It's got the speed bump in it, so it'll give you an idea. On the suspension, you can listen for rattles and stuff. This car is so tight though. We'll get down on it a little bit. We haven't actually got on it. It's just a 318, so. Speed bumps are right here. Brakes, stopping fast. Pulling back in the car lot here. That was a good test drive. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and if you don't mind, share this video. It helps us out greatly. Thanks again, guys. If y'all have any other questions, check us out on maplemotors.com. I got all my detailed pictures of every car, all the inventory, financing, and shipping information located on that website. You can also follow us on Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Post that stuff every day. And definitely watch the walk around video if you're interested in buying this car. It'll be located at the last 30 seconds of this video, or pretty much every video you watch, you'll have a pair of videos. It's always a test drive and a walk around. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.